Hi everyone, today I will show you how to add a sale price to Shopify. Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform that helps you start, run, and grow a business. You can grab the link to this tool in the description below if you want to follow along. So with that, let's get started. On your Shopify dashboard, click on Products. Click on the specific item you want to put on sale. Scroll down until you find the pricing section. You will see two main fields here. One is labeled Price, the other is labeled Compare at Price. The compare at price is the original full price before the discount. Enter your old, higher price into this box. Now go to the price box, enter the new, lower sale price that you want your customers to pay. Doing this is incredibly useful for sellers. It shows your buyers exactly how much money they are saving. This visual cue creates a sense of urgency and highly increases your chances of making a sale. Once you are done, look at the top right corner and click Save. And that is it. You have successfully learned how to add a sale price to Shopify. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick website guides. Don't forget to add to cart your next big idea. Until next time.